What's up, cousins? Thanks for tuning in to today's Wash and Go. If this is your first time tuning in to my channel or this series, this is actually part 3, testing out how to incorporate traditional old school hair grease into my hair regimen. So if you guys haven't seen parts 1 and 2, make sure you check out those videos. For this video, we're just going to go straight into the styling portion. I already have applied my leave-in conditioner in the shower because I am low porosity. The leave-in conditioner that I used was the Shea Moisture Low Porosity Leave-In Detangler. Right here, I was just applying the grease on my hair as a sealer. So that's about how much I use per 4 sections. And so I'm just going to apply that directly on top of my leave-in. My hair is still soaking wet. And my theory is if I use the grease as a sealer, it will help keep my hair soft and moisturized, but also add a little bit additional shine to my wash and go and prevent it from being as crunchy. I am going in with a little bit more grease. I think that's what I'm doing. I split that 4 sections into a subsection. So it's like that. I split that in half and I'm putting a little bit more grease there just to make sure, because make sure I get the inside. When you put it all over 4 sections, just want to make sure you get the insides of your hair. And then I'm going to split that section into a smaller section to start to apply my gel for my wash and go. So it's all about sections, girl. When people be saying they have problems with getting like definition, maybe you are doing too big of sections. Maybe you are not taking your time to make sure that you are really coating your strands. So, make sure you work in as small or large of sections that you need. Like, everybody's going to be different. So now you guys have seen my wash and goes a million times. If you haven't, I will link my wash and go playlist in the cards and down below in the description. I do tend to shingle my hair most times. I don't do it every single time, but usually when I'm trying something new or if I have the time, I'm gonna make sure that I shingle my hair. And I am shingling my hair with the Eco Styler Gel Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's the only one that I had. It's not even my favorite, but I use them all. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about that towards the end of the video. So make sure that you stay tuned for like my complete review and like thoughts on it. So this is what my hair looked like when I was completely done. I did let it air dry for about an hour before I went in with my blow dryer. And now I'm going to come and talk to you guys about the final results and my thoughts. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like. And I did go ahead and pull the top up just because I had a lot of frizz going on, a lot of a lot of the definition at the top of my head is completely gone. So I was a little disappointed with that, but I think that has a little bit more to do with my technique when I was applying the products than whether or not it actually worked. I did want to show you guys underneath, and I showed you guys a close-up because there is tons of definition underneath. I want to try this again because, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I used the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I want to do this again and try it again with, of course, my Holy Grail Eco Styler, which is the Eco Styler Green or the Eco Styler Argan Oil. So I am going to continue to experiment sealing my hair with grease before I apply my gels, just with my Holy Grail Eco Styler gels because they give me a little bit more hold, believe it or not, than this one. And I'm not gonna give up on it. I don't feel like my hair looks bad. It looks like, to me, in my opinion, it looks like day 3 or 4 hair. And most importantly, it feels extremely soft. Like, my hair is extremely soft to the touch, and it doesn't feel extremely greasy, believe it or not, because the grease is underneath the gel. I'm really excited to continue this journey trying to figure out how I want to incorporate grease in my hair regimen, because so far, even though this by far isn't one of my best wash and goes, I am really enjoying it and really enjoying trying to figure out how I want to use it and how much. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for more updates. maybe you'll see an updated like wash and go combo including grease once I like figure it out. If you guys have any like suggestions or combos or greases that you love, drop your wash and go combo including grease in the comment section and maybe I'll try it. But for now, that's it for this video. So just make sure that you guys like and comment down below, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.